Hi everyone. Sorry for my itsura, no. I'm a little talaga messed. I was not able to comb my hair. Talagang alam mo yung umidlip ako. I'm not feeling well. And tinawag na ako ng brother ko to eat dinner. So I was not able to video. Yung sigarilyas at saka kalabasa na ginataan ko, ah yun, at saka yung hipon naman na sinigang sa kamatis ay last night. Ayun, ininit ko kasi meron pa. And yun, hinigo po yung sabaw, napakasarap, at saka dalawang hipon, o 'di ba? And the reason why, alam nyo ba, meron akong pinakuhang papaya sa kuya ko. This is super liit, as in super liit. I was amazed by this, and ubos na yung mga fruits namin dito. Ito na lang natitira. Ito na lang natitira. And guess what? Look at this. O, di ba? I was surprised kasi napakaliit niya, but tingnan niyo naman. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkahinog niya, and ang dami niyang buto. So, matatanim natin ulit yung buto. And alam niyo, sabi ko, nag kimchi, ayun. At times like this, I am more into like gagayat ako ng sibuyas with bawang. If you have some honey, no, you have to put some honey on it. Tapos kinukutsara ko yung honey. Pagka ganitong yung parang sisipunin ka, yung ganun, something like that na feeling. And yun, I drink a lot of water. And nag-take ko ng aking supplements. Yan ang aking ginawa today. So, kanina nagdilig ako. I sweat a lot. And ayun, nakita ko yung mga halaman ko. Di ba nakakatuwa yung ganun? So, ngayon, I'm going to eat this. O, di ba? Kasi yung aking anakers ay nasa party right now. So, we just have to enjoy the rest of the night. And, enjoy lang natin with our family. Thank you so much and take care everyone. I love you guys.